I can't wait to celebrate the new year.
Me too. Dumplings are my favorite. Mmm.
Mine too. I love dumplings. Dumpling. We're celebrating the year of the sheep. Tianyang is the special sheep who will bring in the new year.
I hope she likes dumplings.
Mmm, fresh dumplings.
Almost ready. It's the Nian monster!
Give me all your dumplings.
Never! The Nian monster took all of our dumplings. 饺子.
We must follow the Nian monster and get our dumplings back.
Where is he?
It must be the Nian monster eating our dumplings. Ah! Oh, sorry, little sheep. We thought you were the Nian monster.
I'm Coco. I thought you were the Nian monster.
He stole our dumplings. 饺子. Now we have to get them back.
Only the Monkey King knows where the Nian monster is.
Do you know where he lives, Coco?
He lives at the Banana Palace.
Can you take us there?
Me? No. I'm afraid to leave the village. When all the villagers ran off from the Nian monster, I just hide in these bushes.
Don't worry, little sheep. We'll be with you all the way.
We will protect you.
Well, okay. And maybe the Monkey King can tell us where Tianyang is too. Tianyang is so smart and strong. I want to learn how to be smart and strong too.
Good. Let's go.
Monkey King's castle!
Whoa! Oh no! There's no way across the canyon. Now we'll never get to the Monkey King's castle.
Maybe the legend is true.
Huh? What legend?
If you take a step into the canyon, a bridge will appear. A rainbow bridge! But I'm too afraid.
I'll do it. I want our dumplings back. 饺子. Here I go.
The legend says you just have to believe.
Believe. Whoa! It's true! I made it!
Now it's my turn. This is fun!
Come on, little sheep. You can do it.
It's so far down.
You just have to believe. Remember?
Believe.
Let's go! In our last show, the Nian monster stole our dumplings. The Monkey King is going to help us find the Nian monster so we could get our dumplings back.
It's so beautiful.
Whoa! We made it to the Monkey King's castle! Thank you, little sheep. We're here to see the Monkey King. We need his help to find the Nian monster and get our dumplings back.
And find Tianyang too.
We could enter? But first we have to go through the banana maze?
A maze? But what if we get lost?
Don't worry, little sheep. We'll be with you all the way.
Well, if it's the only way for me to find Tianyang.
Hold on, guys. How do we know which way leads into the castle?
The Monkey King's castle has my favorite flower inside. And I can smell it. Coming from this path.
We made it!
See? It wasn't that scary after all.
Oh no! Now which way do we go?
I smell the flowers that way. But I'm afraid of ghosts.
Me too. Let's go this way.
But the bird told me there's only one doorway to the Monkey King's castle. So that means we must go past the ghost.
Or through it.
I don't think the ghost can hurt us. It's just trying to be scary.
I guess so.
I'm not afraid of ghosts.
I'm not afraid of ghosts.
I'm not afraid of ghosts. Sorry.
We did it again.
We did, didn't we? That wasn't so hard after all.
It's a slide.
That looks like a lot of fun.
I'm afraid of heights.
You can do it. You're getting braver and braver.
I guess slides can be fun.
Let's go.
the banana palace.
My favorite flower.
I am the Monkey King. Welcome to my kingdom.
In our last show, before we could meet the Monkey King, we had to go through the scary banana maze. We made it through, and then we met the Monkey King himself. Hello, Your Highness. My name is Meow Meow. That's Dodo, and that's Coco.
Have a banana.
Thank you for the kind offer, Your Highness. But we are hungry for our dumplings, and the Yin monster took them from us.
How about some banana dumplings? Ugh. No, thank you. No? They sure are good. Well, I have just what you need in my backyard. It'll help you find the Neon monster in no time.
Will it help us find Tianyang too?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Your Highness. Let's go!
It's a big firecracker!
How are we supposed to find the Yin monster with this?
And Tianyang.
To get the firecracker to work, we must go to the village at midnight and pull the string.
I'm afraid of firecrackers.
Guard! Isn't there any other way to...
Now what are we gonna do?
Hey, look! The lanterns are out. People must be preparing for the New Year's celebration.
Why aren't the lanterns lit?
I think it's because the Yin monster is here.
Where do you think the Nian monster will hide?
What's that? Maybe it's the Yin monster.
Let's go check it out.
I'll stay here and guard the wagon.
Yeah, sure.
It's hard to see anything.
Especially since the lanterns aren't lit.
I have to pull the string. Get out of the way.
You saved us!
Tianyang all along. Give us back our dumplings.
Why did you take our dumplings?
Sorry for taking all of your dumplings. I was just really hungry.
But there are more than enough for everybody to eat. We can share.
You would share with me?
Of course. Sharing is what the new year is all about. 新年好!